most colorful and joyous festival of India, Holi, the festival of colors. Holi is celebrated with great energy and excitement all across India, and it's one of the festivals that brings everyone together, family, friends, neighbors, and even strangers. The festival usually spans 2 days. The first day, known as Holika Dahan or Chutti Holi, is all about lighting a bonfire. It symbolizes the victory of good over evil, inspired by the story of Prahlad and Holika from Hindu mythology. The flames remind us to leave behind negativity and start fresh. Then comes the main day, called Rangwali Holi or Dulandi, when the real fun begins. People throw bright colors, splash water on each other, dance to music, and celebrate the arrival of spring. It also a festival that honors the divine love of Radha and Krishna, who played with colors according to the legend. Holi is not just a Hindu festival, it's a celebration of unity, joy, and letting go of inhibitions. From the streets of Delhi, Jaipur, and Agra, southern state, and the celebrations in Nepal, and even cities across the United States, Holi has become the festival that spreads happiness worldwide. It's said that in ancient times, Holi was also a celebration for married women to bring prosperity and goodwill to their new families. Today, it's a time for everyone to dance, play with colors, and enjoy life with a big smile. So as you splash colors, eat sweets, and dance to the beats, remember, Holi is all about love, togetherness, and celebrating the triumph of good over evil. Happy Holi to all of you. Let's make this festival as vibrant and joyous as it's meant to be.